What's up guys, Tad Bowditch here. I'm going to show you how to add a featured channel to your YouTube channel. The first thing you want to do is you go to youtube.com, obviously, right here, and you're going to want to go to your channel. Click right there, and what you want to do is to customize, you want to click on the customize button, the customize channel button. Wait for that to pop up and go to right here on the right hand side. You go to add channels. Now you can change the name of this. This could be friends. Actually, that's what I'll put for mine. And then you'll go to the enter channel username and URL. I'm going to help my friend promote, make my friend Doug a featured channel. We've been doing some podcasts together. So I'll just copy this link here, and then I will just post it right here, add, and done. And so now when you go to my channel, you will see him right down the right hand side. You can add more if you'd like. I don't know if there's a limit, but you can add more. I can even subscribe to him from my channel. If I click on the little icon, it brings me right to his channel. So that's it. I just want to do a quick tutorial on that, guys. And we'll go back to my channel here. And thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you want. I'm going to be adding a lot more tutorials and other things to my channel as I go through my journey to prosperity. Alright, thanks a lot guys. Take care.